Right. For me, best spills, Arnel G. Castillo. Please do not add Rafael Tiburcio, the nephew of teacher May Tiburcio. Because Rafael Tiburcio, he doesn't like group chat. I never chat Rafael Tiburcio. Why did you add him in group chat? Best spills. Arnel G. Castillo. Why did you add, for example, my relatives, even the CDIFI teachers and staff? Like for me, best pills, Arnel G. Castillo, wag mo na sila i-add. Let them be. Do not add anyone. If you attempt to add Paulo Cuva or Alexis Percala in GC, do not add them in GC. Me, I never add in group chat as I promised to Ate Mirasol Ate Mirasol Siako, she said to me, do not add me in the group chat. Just please, you have to stop making group chat or unnecessary group chat. What she said to me, at least I understand. I never make group chat. For me, best pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr. Please do not add my relative in group chat. Tigilan mo na sila. That's why. Do not add anyone. If you add Paulo Siaco in GC, I say to you, best pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you will get in trouble. Do not add even my relatives. Because, when I was told by Rafa Soco, even Teacher Desi told me in the telephone, that was a school of Rafa Soco, Teacher Desi. Teacher Desi said to me, do not make group chat do not add your relative in group chat, even others. I already stopped making group chats. Whatever I just do, just stop making group chats. Best pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Even you, Asedio Jean, Lance Salvacion, Dara May Tuason, and Victor Martin Soriano, even the Super Kapuso Alliance, even Procnoy, do not make a group chat. Because me, I delete all the group chat that I add. I remove all the group chat. Is Kuya Jojo, Ate Mirasol, Siako, even Paulo Siako. I remove them in group chat. Even what did I remove? I removed Joyce Patrick Opesha, Franco Cagayat, even all the beauty queens. I removed them in group chat, like Miss Earth, Miss Universe. I removed them in group chat. For me, whenever I just stop making group chat, all I have to do is to stop. For me, best pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you have to stop making group chat. Even you, Lance Salvacion. For me, Lance Salvacion, rape is not a bail. When I search in Wikipedia, rape is not a bail. For me, Lance Salvacion, if you're watching this in my YouTube blog, you have to apologize to Shania Kiana and Trisha Pung. Even you should apologize to to Teacher May Tiburcio, even Teacher Junelin Bactad. You have to apologize, Lance Salvacion. You know, Lance Salvacion, rape is not a bail. You ask Felix Sabines, you ask Franco Cagayat, what is word rape? If you search in Wikipedia, rape is the word asexual. And that is a criminal offense. Um, Lance Salvacion. You know Lance Salvacion? Anyway, you're a certified kapuso. You like tahanang pinakamasaya. Do not make a rape joke. Oh, even you, Victor Martin Soriano, do not make a perjury at Judge Tagra and Joey De Leon. Even also you, Asejo Jean, you should never make a bomb joke in social media. A bomb joke is a criminal offense, Asejo Jean. Have you mentioned about that man, a foreigner, who's making a bomb joke? He said it atomic bomb in I think it's not in Davao, it's in Dipalog airport. And he make a bomb joke. Oh, a bomb joke is a criminal offense. It's a 5 years imprisonment and it will cost 40,000 pesos. That is the fine of a bomb joke. Jean Asejo Jean. Even you, Lance Salvacion, rape is not a bail. It's a reclusion perpetua. Even you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, if you attempt to make a rape, even you make a bomb joke, even you make fake news, even you slander Vico Soto, even you slander you slander Joseph Maspinas, that is a libel. That is a cyber libel. Oh, like I say to you, Best Pills, Arnold G. Castillo, there is a cyber libel. It's a part of Cybercrime Prevention Act. Oh, there is a revised penal code or Republic Act. I think Republic Act, Ralph Rana knows that. So, Cybercrime Prevention Act, call it cyber libel. That is a criminal offense, Best Pills. You read it in revised penal code. Oh. And even not only revised penal code, even rape, it's a reclusion perpetua. Oh. Even bomb joke, it's a 5 years imprisonment. It will cost 40,000 pesos. It's a Republic Act 10175 or anti-bomb joke law. And even fake news, you spread the fake news against TVJ or cyber libel, that is a cyber crime. And remember, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, if you want to make a post on Facebook, make your own post on Facebook. For example, birthday, happy birthday, happy New Year, Merry Christmas. For example, happy Ramadan, happy Eid al-Adha. That's greetings. As there's any kind of greetings, for example, happy birthday, you greeted to your relatives, not about fake news. Best Pills. I always greet happy birthday to Ralph Rana, in Facebook. I greeted happy birthday to Alexis Percala, but I didn't. I was delayed, I greeted happy birthday to Ate Weng. That is a greetings, not negatives. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. You know, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Your grandmother would die soon. She would die in a heart attack or cardiac arrest. You should love your grandmother. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Even you, Asedio Jin, you should love your family. You should love your nephew, Jeffrey Asedio. Even you, Dara May Tuason, you should love your family and you should get your own dog. Even you, Lance Salvacion, you should be in prison. You're convicted in rape. Even you, Angelo Bonsa, you should post a greeting in Facebook. And even Victor Martin Soriano, you have to stop with your perjury against Judge Tagra. You know, I'm very angry. I'm very mad for what all of you are doing. For me, I'm not always making foolishness in social media. I've never make a fake account of Teacher Gio Malana, Larry Chuanico, or I already stopped. I already stopped making fake account of Rodelio Daguman. I promised to Teacher Desi, and I apologize to Rafa Soko. But I already stopped. If you want, just stop. Stop it already, Best Pills. Stop this attack. Stop this harassment. Stop this bullying. Even you, Asedio Jin. Even you, Victor Martin Soriano. Even you, Angelo Bonsa, Lance Salvacion, and Dara May Tuason. All of you should stop with this attack and cyberbullying. Like I said, people there are disturbing to all of you. All of you are disturbing those people. Nakakainis, nakaka-stress. For me, why can't you just do a positive content? Like I say to you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Asedio Jin, Victor Martin Soriano, Angelo Bonsa, and even Dara May Tuason, that Facebook, it's not a game. Facebook is a social media platform. Do not make nonsense. How long will you do in social media, Best Pills? Who will take care of your pet cat? Who will take care of your mother? Your grandmother? Like I say to you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, pinalaki ka ba ng magulang mo? I say to you, Best Pills. Even you, Asedio Jin. Even you, Dara May Tuason, Victor Martin Soriano, including Angelo Bonsa, and even Lance Salvacion. All of you have never raised by your family, your parents. Di ba kayo pinapalaki ng mga magulang ninyo? That's why. That's very awful. Wag ganon, that's why. Me, I never make enemies in social media. When I do to David Gill, I said it, I told to Mrs. Annie Gill, when I was in barangay with Kapitana, I told to Mrs. Annie Gill, I know Mrs. Annie Gill, she is working in Ferrer Law Office. She said to me, she said to me, when I never use Messenger, sino ba ang mahal mo? That's why. Ang messenger mo o minamahal mo yung mama mo? That's why she said to me. It was Mrs. Annie Gill said. So, she's working in the Ferrer Law Office. I abstain. I never talk about that. I abstain the agreement in barangay when I talked to Kapitana last 2022. It was already abstain. Oh, I abstain myself. Oh, it refrain. Oh, for me, best pills are Nel G. Castillo and Asedio Jean, Victor Martin Soriano, Dara May Tuason, and Angelo Bonsa. Please refrain about all of your fake news. Abstain about all of your fake news. Even na tahanang pinakamasaya. Move on. Even forget about that issue of Dennis Trillo. And that hacking of Dennis Trillo's TikTok account and Facebook account, that was not true. Jeff Oligar TV is not involved of hacking. Best pills are Nel G. Castillo. Stop blaming Jeff Oligar TV. Wag mo idadamay si Jeff Oligar TV. That's why